In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Patreon account. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along easily. Open a fresh browser window and search for Patreon. Look for the official result that takes you to Patreon's homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a clear option to get started. Click Get Started to begin the sign-up process. You now have a choice of how to create your account. If you prefer speed, you can sign up with your Google, Apple, or Facebook account by selecting the matching button and following the prompts. If you'd rather use an email address, type in your email and click Continue. The site will guide you through the next steps on screen based on the sign-up method you selected. Take a moment to review any permissions if you're using a connected account, and make sure the email you use is one you can access easily. Next, Patreon will ask what kind of account you want. Decide whether you're joining as a creator or as a fan. If you're planning to publish content and build a membership, choose the creator option, enter your creator name, and click Continue. If you're not a creator and simply want to support people you follow, select the Not a Creator? Join as a fan option. You can always explore and learn more before making any commitments. Before you go further, check your inbox for a confirmation email from Patreon. Open the message and click the verification link inside to confirm your account. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute and then check your spam or promotions folder. Verifying your email helps secure your account and ensures you can receive important updates. Once your account is confirmed, you're ready to use Patreon. Your account is set up immediately after signing up, so you can start exploring right away. Search for creators you love or browse by category, and when you find someone you want to support, visit their page and click the Join button. You'll see the membership tiers they offer, each with details on benefits and pricing. Choose the tier that fits what you want, review the perks, and proceed. Enter your payment information when prompted and confirm your selection to become a patron. Patreon will handle the billing securely, and you'll get access to the benefits tied to your chosen tier. That's it. You've created your Patreon account, verified it, and you're ready to support creators or start building your own community. Take a moment to personalize your profile later if you'd like, and enjoy exploring.